Lower into a squat with your hands on your thighs. Don't let your knees go past your toes though. Stand and raise your arms straight overhead. Kick your right leg high while lowering your right arm to meet it. Repeat on both sides for about a minute. Raise your arms, then lift your right knee and bring your right elbow down to meet it. Alternate sides. Do this for about 2 minutes, moving as quickly as possible. This move is amazing for your back and shoulders. Get into plank, then lift your hips into an inverted V. See if you can do 3 sets of 15. Start out at a squat with your weight on your heels. Push into your heels as you leap forward, landing gently into another squat. Raise your fists to your shoulders and keeping your elbows up, box with your right hand forward, clenching your abs. Box on each side 20 times. Stand with your feet together, holding a medicine ball or soccer ball at your chest. Step your left foot back and lower into a squat with your right knee bent. Push your right leg, straightening both legs while twisting your torso to push the medicine ball over your right shoulder. Continue for 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. This move looks simple but is really challenging. Stand with your arms out, thumbs up. Tip your thumbs back, move them down and back to begin tracing a figure 8. At the bottom of the circle, turn thumbs forward and continue. Trace the rest of the figure 8, ending with your thumbs up. That's 1 rep. See if you can do 50. Here's my favorite way to get your arms ready for tank top season. Sit with your legs extended and heels on the floor. Place your hands shoulder width apart behind your butt. Bend and straighten your elbows 15 times. For an extra challenge, lift a leg while doing it. Yoga moves are great for your arms. This upward dog strengthens every part of your upper body. Pushing into your hands, straighten your arms. Lift your thighs just off the ground, keep your toes pointed. Start with your feet shoulder width, holding a dumbbell or a water bottle in your left hand. Step your right leg back diagonally, bending your left knee 90 degrees. Bring the dumbbell under your left leg, passing it to the right, then step back to the center with your right foot. Repeat on the other side and keep alternating for 1 minute. These are just like traditional jumping jacks, but with an emphasis on staying flexed while making an X in the air. Start with your feet together and your arms down by your sides, then jump. Try to get into an X position while you're still in the air. Do this for at least a minute.